Hello and welcome to the Sandeep Unitan Show, your weekly dose of defense, geopolitics, and much, much more. Today I am joined on my show by Dr. Prateek Kishore. Dr. Kishore is the Director General of the Armaments and Combat Engineering Systems of the DRDO, the ACE cluster as it's called. We're going to talk to him about the mounted gun systems, small arms, and much, much more. Thank you very much, Dr. Kishore, for joining me on my show.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to join you. Thank you.
Dr. Kishore, first up, the mounted gun system. We've seen some amazing visuals of this 8x8 Tata truck with a 155mm ATAGS on it. Tell us about this interesting new gun system that the DRDO has developed.
The mounted gun system, actually, it takes into account the ATAGS, which has been developed by our establishment ARD in Pune. And the same has been adopted by our another establishment, VRDE Ahmednagar, and has been mounted on a 8x8 chassis to give it the mobility and quick engagement and disengagement in any kind of an operational scenario.
Shoot and scoot
as they call it. And so it's an essentially a ATAGS ordnance mounted on a 8x8 platform.
Right.
So it has the same capability, firing zone 7, reaching a range of more than 45 kilometers under operational conditions. And so it is going to give a long range capability to our artillery forces.
Right. And what is the weight of this platform? Since, there's been a lot of feedback on weight and the ATAGS was very heavy. Are you confident that this meets the weight requirements?
The first prototype that has been seen now is about 31.5 tons.
Right.
And we have already worked out where all to reduce the weight at different components that we have already identified. The analysis has already been completed, and we are very sure that we will be able to bring it down below the stipulated weight as called for this class of system.
Right, which would be about 30 tons?
It will be less than 30 tons.
Less than 30 tons. Right. And what are the kind of tests that you've put the MGS through so far?
We have completed all our internal trials with the MGS. That includes the road mobility trials and also the firing trials.
Right.
And it has met all the performance requirements as per our requirements. Now we will be ready to field it as per the operational requirements.
Right. And you recently transferred the technology to your industry partner as well.
That's true. The technology has been transferred to Mrs. Bharat Forge Limited recently.
Right.
And we are, as per our policy, we are now giving the technology to all eligible industry partners in the country who are willing to take this and produce it.
Right.
So we are looking for more industry partners to participate and join in this.
Right, absolutely. And how confident are you that this would be a very good export platform? Firstly, what is the import, component in this platform?
This particular platform has got almost about more than 75%, I think close to around 80% indigenous content.
Right.
So we are very confident of the quality that we are going to have, as well as its export potential is concerned. It is going to be one of the major platforms which would boost the requirements of others also.
Right.
So the industry will be in a position to export it to the friendly countries.
Right. So this is an IDDM platform as far as you're concerned, indigenously designed, developed, and manufactured.
That's true.
Right.
It's an IDDM. It's in the IDDM category.
Right. And when you're looking at export potential, would that be your lookout or would that be your industry partners?
So the export will be taken care of by our industry partner along with the ministry.
Right.
But all technological support, whatever is needed at whatever time, will be provided by DRDO.
Right. Perfect. And how old is this project? How long has this project been on?
We started it around somewhere around 2013.
Right.
We have completed our developmental trials by about 2021-22, which is a normal for any of this kind of a weapon system.
Right.
And we have demonstrated. We are ready to go for the evaluation trials also as per the requirements.
Right. And how long would it be before this is inducted into service by the Indian Army in the normal course?
From the go-ahead, I think we should be able to, with the industry partner support, we should be able to do it in about 2 years to 3 years' time. We should be able to complete all the trials that are required.
Right.
And then it can be taken up for induction after that.
Right. And the truck itself, the Tata, as I understand, is not an indigenous platform. It is manufactured under license. So would there be any issues if you were to export that?
As of now, we don't see any problem with that.
Right. Right. Great. So you have one big IDDM platform that's going to be inducted. That's very good news given the new thrust on Atmanirbhar Bharat.